Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Chime's mobile check deposit feature. Let's get straight into the video. The first step is to log into your Chime account. Of course, you just want to open the Chime mobile app on your mobile device and log into your account there, or you could also go to Chime's website and log in from there. Step 2 is to access mobile check deposits. So just tap move money in the bottom navigation bar, and then you want to choose the deposit a check option. Step 3 is to take a photo of the check. So you sign the back of your check and write for Chime deposits only, and then you want to take a clear photo of the check using the Chime app, and then you want to review and verify the check details, including the amount and of course the check number. Step 4 is to confirm the deposit. So just verify the deposit details, including the check amount and account to deposit into, and then confirm the deposit to complete the transaction. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Chime's mobile check deposit feature. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.